Ladies and gentlemen, we are happy to report that we have sold our first Pick Your Team break on WaxZoneBreaks.com. And I am happy to report I can read the names right off the list. So you're, unfortunately, I wasn't able to print it because we haven't gotten that far. So here, I'm just going to read some names here, everyone. As soon as my guy stops coughing on my neck. All right, here we go. AC Milan, Zachary C. AC Monza, Ryan B. Fiorentina, Brian M. Ryan B. Bournemouth. Ernest with Arsenal, Ryan B. Roma. Ryan B. Aston Villa, Zachary C. Atalanta. Ryan B. Athletic Club, Atletico de Madrid, Bologna, and Brentford. Joffrey with Brighton Hove. David G. Osasuna, Ryan B. Cadiz. Tyler M. with Chelsea. Ryan B. Crystal Palace. David G. Elche. Zachary with Empoli. Adam M. Everton. Zachary C. Barcelona. Ryan B. Internacional Milano. Ryan M. Fulham, Getafe, David G. Girona, David G. Ryan B. Hellas Verona, Sean Juventus, Brian M. Leeds, Ryan B. Leicester, Zachary C. Liverpool, and City. Sean Manchester United, Alexander T. Newcastle, Ryan B. Nottingham, Rio David G. Kelter David G. Espanyol Ryan B. Suwon Pak with Mallorca, David G. Betis, Zachary C. Real Madrid, David G. Sociedad and Valladolid, Tyler M. Sevilla, Ryan B. Southampton, Spezia Calcio, and Lazio. Michael R. with Napoli. Ryan B. Torino. Suwon Park with Tottenham. Ryan B. Sampdoria. David G. Almeria. Ryan B. Udinese Calcio and Cremonese and Lecce and Salernitana and Sassuolo Calcio. Those were all Ryan B. Ryan M. with Valencia Villarreal. And Ryan B. with West Ham and Wolverhampton. Woo! Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry, Sean. Hopefully it was worth it. What's up, Alex? So this is our Pick Your Team break. Here we go. We threw an extra box for your guys' wonderful buyout. Let's see what we get here. Good luck, good luck, good luck. How's it going, Alex? Hopefully we get some fire out of these five. This is a new case, by the way, so... Let's make it happen, Captain. Certainly appreciate you guys. Thank you for all you guys who bought all those teams out. You know, listen, I feel like if we can sell out a 60 team pick your team, we could probably do it with, but again, soccer fans, you guys are the best. So here we go.
Thank you,
no,
Zach.
No, thank you, Zach. Thank you for everything, always. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get to the good stuff, right? Sure, that's what you guys want to see anyway. You don't want to hear my voice anymore. I don't want to hear my voice anymore. Valeri, red out of 199 Origins for Cremonese. Sergino Dest. This is going to be one of those Gold Rush out of 299. Sergino Dest for AC Milan. Dest patch. Diego Coppola rookie. Lorenzo Colombo rookie XR. All right, we got a red. Mota, Danny Mota out of 99. Illusions, that was for Monza. And we have a Contenders Optic rookie ticket of Rasmus Højlund for Atalanta. All right. Okay. La Liga. Did you get some teams, Alex?
He's got Nottingham.
Oh, you got Nottingham. Awesome. Glad you could grab it.
You bought it earlier.
Oh, got it.
Oh, I'm sorry, not Nottingham.
He said Rasmus. Was that? Am I supposed to do something with Rasmus? Was Rasmus good? Oh, Rasmus. Rasmus Højlund. Is that good? I don't know.
Yeah, Alex said Newcastle.
Oh, Newcastle. All right, cool. Here we go. We got Williot for Kelta. Silver. This is a Correa silver. And we have Robert Lewandowski Origins to 199 red for Barcelona, which I believe is Zachary. And we have Benzema, Tools of the Trade out of 49. That would be out of 10. For Real Madrid, 26 of 49 Tools of the Trade dual patch. Real Madrid, I believe, also is Zachary. 26 of 49. Marca rookie. Luca de la Torre rookie. Cesar de la Hoz rookie. That's a silver Ramazani. Ooh, we have a gold prism. What? Brian Ocampo rookie. We have a Vinicius Souza. Contenders Optic rookie ticket, and we have is it a rookie? A rookie, okay. Gold Chukwueze, Samuel Chukwueze, gold prism, 4 of 10 for Villarreal. Who's got Villarreal? Ryan M. There you go. He said, I knew it was all me. All right, here we go. Enzo. We've got, there's a Nacho Origins. Oh, I was going to say, why is there two? But this one's silver. Okay. For Leeds, Brendan Aronson. Goal! For Leeds, Chronicles, Brendan Aronson, 7 of 10. Sounds like I'm saying goal, but it's gold. All right, Brian M. Liverpool. Fabio Carvalho, 7 of 64 auto. Who's got Liverpool? 7 of 64. Zachary. How about a Fabio Carvalho? I'm sure you've got many Carvalho autos, but here's another one. We got, let's see what we got. Josh Da Silva rookie. There's a Eze. And we have a cracked ice of Anthony Gordon for Newcastle.
Tyler, who are you talking to?
21 to 23. Hey, thank you. Hey, who's he talking to? Didn't you say Alex has Newcastle? Anthony Gordon to 23. 21 to 23. Here you go. You're on the board, Alex. That's just one box. By the way, the best box in these is the one I threw in for free. Just saying.
He said, I told you, Zach. Always hits, man. Zach's like,
maybe we just feel like he only hits with us, which, by the way, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, if Zach came to Nationals this year, I would certainly take him to the casino. Be like, let's go, bro.
Let's go,
Tell me what number now.
How about that?
Like right now. What number am I putting all this dough on?
What teams do I have? You have
The ones you bought.
the one you got Sevilla in the beginning, and the one you closed out with, my friend, which is Chelsea.
Chelsea and Sevilla.
He's like, I forgot.
I forgot. All right, here we go. Esposito rookie, Gabia rookie. There's a silver Lukaku. A red Kvichak Kvaratskhelia for SSC Napoli out of 199. Man, it's KHVICH. There's a lot. Kvichak Kvaratskhelia. How about just Zico? Who the hell is Zico? Oh, this dude, look at him. He's old school. 21 of 44 for Calcio. Udinese Calcio. Who's got that? 21 of 44 Zico.
Who's the chase? Wait, hold on.
That's the rookie. That's the
Which
big
one?
chase. The Napoli guy that you're holding. The red one.
This. Ooh, okay.
That's the
The
big.
1 to 199.
Yeah,
Gotcha,
that's
gotcha,
the big.
gotcha.
That's the
Okay.
big rookie. Yeah.
Got the Napoli.
Craps is your game. Damn.
Michael R. Congrats.
So I don't know who Zico is. Go back to the name you can't pronounce. He is worth more than the box. Oh damn. All right. Well, it says the guy Kvichak Falakvicha. The one that I just couldn't say all his names. Is that the red one that you just put in the top loader?
Yeah, that's the SS Napoli.
Yeah, that's the Napoli guy. Kvichak Farakashephilia.
He said, "Go back, working on it, man. It's worth more than
Craps. I can't keep up with craps. I always have too much money on craps, and then I crap out and I lose all my money. I'm like, nope, can't do it. There's Pasquale Mazzocchi rookie. So nobody said anything about that one dude that you just this dude Zico. Was Zico not?
Tyler wants to watch.
He wants to stand him. Fine. Here's a Zico. How about we get Kvecha Auto? Would a Kvecha Auto make you happy? Somebody. Michael R. I think has him. There's a silver AS Roma, Eduardo Bove. And how about a red Dybala? Paulo Dybala. It's going to be out of 99 for AS Roma. All right. Where's my La Liga? Oshiman. Oh, did you? Yeah, I don't know. Should probably do some research, huh? Let's continue. We've got Baina, Fresneda, a silver Comayeni, a silver of Real Madrid, a red Perea out of 199, Chronicles, and Iago Aspas out of 10. Who's got RC Celta? 1 of 10 patch auto, by the way. Not a rookie, but David G. You've got yourself a Iago Aspas. 1 of 10. Nice patch auto. That's a cool card. Nice card. That's right, Tyler. That's what I just said. Vesca rookie. Armello. Ina Muriki. Vedat Muriki from Mallorca. Jumanji. Valencia rookie. And a red red rookie ticket for Contenders Optic, El Bilal Torre for Udi Almeria. That's going to be out of 99, 88 of 99. David G. Thank you. I feel like you're getting better at this.
Got a headache from that list.
Did you get a headache? He's freaking out, guys. Here's a Nacho again. A silver Ederson for Man City. A red Anthony Robinson, 131 to 199 for Fulham. And for Manchester United, color guard, 19 of 49, Anthony Elanga. That's a silver Zenith for Man United, Anthony Elanga. 19 of 49. That's an interesting patch. Sean? There you go, Sean. And we Wing Sun. There's a Nacho rookie XR. Hickey. A Fernando, no, I'm sorry, Bruno Fernandes, silver. Essentials for Manchester United. Gracias, he said. Gracias. Levi Colwell, rookie. Julio Enciso, we're an international operation here. A blue Wissa. A blue Phoenix Wissa out of 49 for Brentford. Nice 49 low numbered Wissa. All right, let me take some of these, put them aside. Go middle. Shut up.
Your base, right?
That's our base, yes. I hope that you have that system can print out some labels.
I'm sure I'll figure it out.
He said, I'm sure I'll figure it out.
That I'm not worried
about. Fun stuff, fun stuff.
Printing out labels? What are you talking about? Then he sits there and she likes stamps all the time.
Stamps? I thought you were gonna like have her write out everybody's name. like old school handwriting, like old English. Zachary or Zacharias.
Gotta give him that personal touch.
Hell yeah. All right, here we go. A silver Dia. A Gianluca Gaetano. Not the silvers. The base are all wrong. That's why they're upside down. Gianluca Gaetano, 55 of 99 for Napoli. So this guy is not the not a chase for Napoli. Gaetano. Demaria for Juventus. What do we got here? We got a dual patch of Demaria, 20 of 99. Fusion swatches. 20 of 99 for Juventus. And we have Atalanta, the Caleb Okoli rookie. Marco Carnesecchi is what it is. For Cremonese, 41 of 49. I think he's a goalkeeper, just a guess. Blue, 41 of 49. We got Dybala and a silver contender optic rookie ticket of Fabio Miretti. That's for Juventus as well. Nice silver rookie of Miretti. All right. What did Tyler say that the other card? Get him. Oh, now get him an Oshiman. That's what he said. Oshiman. Is that from Napoli as well? Is Napoli like a contending team now? All right, we got Marchesin for Celta. We got a rookie of Fernandez. Get some upset. There's a silver Benguer for Athletic Club. And a out of 199 red Real Madrid Lunin rookie. Red Lunin out of 199. Gareth Bale for Real Madrid. Dual swatches. That's going to be 28 of 199 fusion swatches for Gareth Bale. Pablo Torre rookie XR. Ruben Sanchez rookie. Christian Stuani. David Garcia. 1 of 1! Did I scare you? I just saw your hand move like this. See? Osasuna. 1 of 1! Certified. Oh, what the hell? I think I scared him, guys. He doesn't know what he's pressing anymore. Dude, you should have seen his hand. I said, "What?" His hand literally like, oh my god.
Everything's chill. You fucking. God damn, man.
Who's got Osasuna? Why don't you tell me that? That was CS Osasuna.
EA?
Yeah.
David G.
David G with a 1 of 1 David Garcia. What do you mean? What the hell's happening? Because poor Zach saw the intro. Oh man, I scared him, Zach. I yelled 1 of 1 and like he crapped himself. Here we go. Contenders Optic rookie ticket. Bade Sevilla. I think that's Tyler's got. Munyan. Over. Tyler's dying. Oh, he freaked out, man. Here's that 1 of 1. We'll put him right next to this dude. Oh, that was hilarious. Oh, you kind of jumped. I'm sorry, that was too loud. I'm sorry. I apologize. Don't need to be that loud. I was shocked I saw a 1 of 1. Not gonna lie. I was like, what? And they put it in the weirdest spot. I almost missed it.
That is weird. Certified?
Right. I never would have thought that was the 1 of 1 certified. He said, what the hell's going on? Then we woke up Zachary. Then we woke up Tyler's neighbor. Bicetic for Liverpool, rookie origins. Zamira rookie. Nonto. And we have a silver of Luis Sinisterra for Leeds origins. Christian Eriksen.
Yeah, we have
3 of 99 Christian Eriksen. Blue. And a Trippier for Newcastle. There you go. I think it's Alex. Newcastle, 36 of 99, Kieran Trippier. Origins auto for Newcastle. I won't scream like that if I see another 1 of 1. I'm sorry. I'll just be like, 1 of 1. Jaden Anthony for Bournemouth, rookie. He's Alex. Oh, hell yeah. All right, what else we got? West Ham. What? I'm not joking. 10 West Ham. Who's got West Ham? 19 of 23. Little Dragon Ice.
Ryan.
Ryan B. Naif Aguirre, rookie. Hello, hello. Who's Nizuko? What teams do you have? What do you go by? What's your name? Naif Aguirre, 19 of 23. Newcastle, nice break, yeah. Still have 2 boxes. And Darwin Nunez, Liverpool, Silver Prism. Everybody jump. I'm sorry. Honestly, I was more just surprised, so I just yelled. Like I like to convince myself that hey, it's a 1 of 1. I'll just hit myself in the head with the box. I think it's getting late, bro. As Sean said, this is getting late. It's getting late.
Past my bedtime.
Past my bedtime.
Sounds like I gotta go to church in the morning.
You need to repent for your sins. Did you say relax?
Remind me to buy cases.
Yeah.
Last pack.
Are you serious? Okay, Solbakken, rookie. Stojanovic, rookie. Zerbin. My name is Juan. Oh, sweet. Well, that break already happened, Juan. So are you probably watching that? You're going to have to rewind. That's a Karneski Silver. Here's a Ederson for Atalanta out of 99 blue rookie. And for SS Lazio out of 190, Gaisca Mendieta. Who's got SS Lazio? 167 to 190 auto.
Ryan B.
Ryan B. All right, and there you go, Ryan B. Another SS Lazio rookie. This one is Mario Gila. Volpato rookie for Roma. Ebosele for Calcio. Udinese Calcio rookie. And Leo Ostegard Silver for Napoli. Silver of Napoli. Rookie of Ederson for Atalanta. Rookie of Bove for Roma. And a blue, Luca Romero for SS Lazio. I like the blue and the silver. That looks cool. That's going to be 35 of 49 for SS Lazio. Nice blue colors. I still love that you did the intro.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, man. And I have it all like it's named and everything.
I know. Like, Bade rookie.
Gotta be all discombobulated.
Poliosho rookie. The new one for me. A silver Strand Larson. And for Real Madrid, we have red Tony Cruz. Out of 199 Origins, Tony Cruz, Real Madrid. And for Real Betis, we have rookie of Luis Henrique. 291 to 299. Real Betis, I believe, is Zachary. David G. That was wrong. 291 to 299.
He's the team right below that.
Oh, my bad. Sergi Dardner, nope. Mikel Vesa, rookie of Mikel Vesca for Athletic Club. Carmelo. There's a red Ali Cho out of 99 XR for Real Sociedad. And another Ali Cho for Real Sociedad rookie ticket. And a silver Yermi Pino. Silver Prism, that is, of Villarreal. All right, come on. Warm it up. New case. Let's see some good stuff. The Silva rookie for Brentford. Danilo, Silver Chronicles, rookie. Origins, Zaha for Crystal Palace. Out of 199 red, Zaha. Darwin Nunez for Liverpool. Gold Rush patch, 92 of 99. Darwin Nunez for Liverpool. Easy. Saliba, XR rookie. Saliba for Arsenal. A blue McAllister out of 49 for Brighton Hove. Modric rookies Prism. Incho and Mbabu. Okay. All right. Final box. Come on. This is the box I picked. This is the extra. This is the one I dug around for. So you can blame me. This is all on me. Shake it up and take all the foil off first. Then I'm going to start with La Liga. Shake it up. I'm just going to shake shit up. Never know. Shake it up. Shake it up. Let's get some amazing cards here. Come on. Marcal for Seville, rookie. Gavi. There's a Jorgensen rookie. Have it upside down, maybe. There's a Lucas Ocampos for Sevilla Silver. And Latoro Blanco for Elche. That's going to be red out of 199. And a Lionel Messi. Why couldn't you give me a damn auto? Gold Rush for Barcelona. Lionel Messi. 48 of 75. Come on. Why couldn't you give me a gold rush, auto, and patch? Yeah. It's still a Messi, but... Poor Zach's got Barcelona. He's like, right? He's got Barcelona, right? Yeah. But he's like, oof. Peña, Villarreal rookie. Luca Olaza for Valladolid. Zaldua for Cadiz. Moreno out of 99, 54 of 99 Villarreal. Zachary doesn't like our man, I guess. Roberton, rookie. Messi.
Like Messi?
I said, oof.
I think he said that was probably like a close call. Oof.
Oh, I thought it was like oof, like, man, that's terrible. Oof. All right, let's keep it going. All right, take it easy. Valeri for Cremonese rookie. Nicola Moro for Bologna rookie. Gendry for Lecce rookie, or Lecce. Charles Pickle for Cremonese. Here's a Cremonese Pickle. You gotta be shitting me. Chuck Pickle, Cremonese, silver. Can't make that shit up. Josh Doig. What's this guy's name? Doig. Velas Verona out of 199 red. Hans Hattabor, color guard. 34 of 99. That's for Atalanta. Yeah, I was really hoping. Trust me. I was like, yes, I picked this box. And I was like, no, I didn't. Volpato, rookie. Mario Gila. There's a silver Baldanzi for Empoli. And we have a rookie ticket for USS Saulo Calcio for Armand Loriente. Piotr Zielinski. And a red rookie of, what is this? What is it called again? Oh, Dynagon. Aslani for FC Internazionale Milano. 13 of 99. Christian Aslani. Red. Ryan B. Ryan B. Ryan B. Final box. Final box, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you guys for tonight.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys. Don't worry, we'll always make it up. We'll figure it out. Always try to make everyone happy. Travers, rookie. What we got here? Nobody. And we got for City out of 199, Manuel Akanji. And well, I didn't expect to see a Wolverhampton, but here it is. Steve Bull. Oh, dude, what a great name. 43 of 139. Steve Bull. Ryan B. Dude, what an awesome name. He looks like a rugby player. He doesn't even look like a soccer player. Bull. Kenny Tate. Willock. Bicetic rookie. Sinistero rookie. Another Sinistero rookie. Babu. And a blue prism Arsenal Henry out of 49. 13 of 49. All right. Well, that was exciting. Give me some numbers. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to do the patches and autos. Yeah. Out of 49, we got a dual patch tools of the trade of Real Madrid, Karim Benzema. We got a gold rush for a Serginho Dest for AC Milan out of 299. We got a color guard out of 49 for United of Anthony Langa Silver. We got a fusion swatches of Angel Di Maria out of 99. And that's going to be for Juventus. We got a fusion swatch of Gareth Bale out of 199 for Real Madrid. Darwin Nunez out of 99, Gold Rush for Liverpool. A Lionel Messi out of 75 for Barcelona patch. Color guard Hans Hateboer out of 99. That's going to be for Atalanta. And this is going to be our autos. We have for Liverpool, we have Fabio Carvalho, 7 of 64. For Udinese Calcio, we have 21 of 44 Zico. We have this beautiful patch auto of Iago Aspas for Celta, 1 of 10. That's out of gold. A silver Kieran Trippier, 36 out of 99 for Newcastle auto Origins. Gazica Mendieta, 167 out of 190 for SS Lazio. A Luis Henrique out of 299 Real Betis. And Wanderer Steve Bull out of 139. We did get a David Garcia for CA Osasuna, 1 of 1 certified. And a Kvicha Kvarteshekvilia Napoli out of 199 Origins. I'm telling you, if you were coming, I really wish, Zach, you were coming to Nationals. We would show you the best time ever. But hopefully I'll make it out to Cali one day or something. But anyway, thank you guys so much. Sean, Zach, Tyler, everyone that joined. Certainly appreciate you guys helping us fill our first Pick Your Team break. Hope to do more. Have a great night. Have a great Sunday. See you next week, Friday. Take care.
All right, everyone. Be safe.